how is everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I have coated my ceiling with a form of invisible dedicated ceiling paint that will allow me to be able to use my laser effect projectors to give my ceiling that awesome look without spending a ton of money to do so. And this is going to be a part of our new dedicated ceiling paint kit from Eclipse that will come in 2 quarts and come in 1 gallon. We have a deluxe package that will come with the whole 9 yards, the LED light strips, 2 wave projectors, and the Starlight laser galaxy projector. I'm just showing you what this looks like. Now I wanted to do an invisible one because I can't paint my ceiling black. And the black screens are fantastic if you're using that for a dedicated theater. Now keep in mind, because the new ceiling dedicated screen paint is invisible, it's only designed for a white or gray ceiling. I would not use it on a color because it would actually reflect back that color. This is just showing you our results. And keep in mind, as I said before about our technology, this right here, our screen paint, this is the Eclipse Ultra 4K Supreme Cinema, only in 720p. I'm using my short throw 720p projector in 235.1. My screen's 178 inches at 235.1 if I didn't say that before. And as I said, these screens look incredible with the lights on, with the lights off. They are mind-blowing. Okay. Come back here just a minute. I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. And this right here is our new Eclipse dedicated ceiling paint. Thank you all for your time.